If you've ever wondered where your money goes every month or why saving feels impossible no matter how much you earn, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down how to budget your money step by step in the simplest way possible. No complicated math, no finance jargon, just a clear system anyone can follow. Welcome to Simplified Finance, where money and investing are explained clearly. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always make financial decisions based on your personal situation. Now let's start with the most important question. What is budgeting really? Budgeting is simply giving your money a plan. Think of your money like a group of workers. If you don't assign them tasks, they wander around and waste time. A budget tells every dollar exactly what its job is before the month begins. Most people think budgeting is restrictive, but it's actually the opposite. A good budget gives you freedom because you know what you can spend without guilt. Let's walk through this step by step. Step 1 is knowing exactly how much money you earn. This is your total monthly income after taxes. If you earn a fixed salary, this is easy. If your income changes, take an average of the last 3 to 6 months and use a conservative number. Always budget with the minimum you expect to earn, not the maximum. Once you know how much money is coming in, step 2 is tracking where your money currently goes. For 1 month, write down every expense. Rent, food, transport, subscriptions, coffee, snacks, everything. Most people are shocked when they do this because small expenses add up fast. Imagine money like water leaking from a bucket. Budgeting helps you find and plug the leaks. Now step 3 is organizing your expenses into categories. There are 3 main types: needs, wants, and savings. Needs are things you must pay to survive and function. Rent, utilities, basic food, transportation, insurance, and the likes. Wants are things that make life enjoyable but aren't necessary. Eating out, entertainment, subscriptions, shopping, etc. Savings include emergency funds, future goals, and investing. A simple beginner-friendly rule you can use is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. This rule isn't perfect for everyone, but it's a great starting point. If your income is low, your percentages might look different, and that's okay. The goal is progress, not perfection. Step 4 is creating your actual budget. This means assigning a dollar amount to each category. Start with your needs first. Make sure your rent, utilities, food, and transportation are covered. Then decide how much you'll allow yourself to spend on wants. Finally, pay yourself first by setting aside savings before you spend on anything else. Here's an everyday example. Let's say you earn $2,000 a month. You might allocate $1,000 to needs, $600 to wants, and $400 to savings. Every dollar now has a job. Step 5 is choosing a budgeting method that fits your lifestyle. There is no one-size-fits-all budget. One simple method is the zero-based budget. This means every dollar you earn is assigned somewhere, even if it's just savings. At the end of the month, your income minus expenses equals 0. Another popular method is the envelope system. You divide your spending categories into envelopes. Once the envelope is empty, you stop spending in that category. Today, many people do this digitally using budgeting apps instead of cash. You can also use a simple spreadsheet or notebook. The best budget is the one you actually stick to. Step 6 is tracking and adjusting weekly. Budgeting is not a set-it-and-forget-it process. Life happens, expenses change. Check your budget once a week to see if you're staying on track. If you overspend in one category, adjust another. The goal is awareness, not punishment. A common mistake beginners make is being too strict. If your budget feels painful, you won't follow it. Leave room for enjoyment. Budgeting doesn't mean you can't have fun. It means you're intentional about it. Another mistake is ignoring irregular expenses. Things like car repairs, gifts, or annual subscriptions don't happen every month, but they still count. Break them down into monthly amounts and save a little each month so they don't surprise you. Finally, remember why you're budgeting in the first place. Budgeting isn't about numbers. It's about peace of mind. It's about sleeping better at night, reducing stress, and building a future where money supports your life instead of controlling it. Start simple, start small, And most importantly, start today. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to our channel for more clear and practical money lessons. Your future self will thank you for doing this. And that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.